money that people make out of that data. And on the enterprise side, what we see is that IT is more and more being stressed by the fact that they have to support increasing workloads with tight budgets. And so we see here an opportunity. And we're trying to work with companies like Huawei to really try to transform the network. And Ms. Wu was alluding to a number of evolutions that Huawei is already driving. We believe that we can take this further with the power of Moore's Law and really, move the network to evolve the same way that the data center has evolved. And so we're addressing that basically by touching on 4 aspects. The first one is, as you probably have all experienced Intel inside either your computers or your data centers. So Intel is not new to you, right? And you probably are familiar with a lot of the technology that we bring, especially in the data center space, around energy efficiency, the acceleration of some workloads such as compression, decompression, security, virtualization, in which we support at the hardware level those workloads. We're extending that beyond the traditional data centers to support the needs of the network. And so we're looking to collaborating with the whole industry in, for instance, making sure that packets move as fast as they need to move in the network environment. We're looking at making sure that OpenStack is able to offer whatever's communicating with OpenStack to know exactly what hardware is underneath OpenStack so that you can optimize the movement of packets and reduce the latencies, which is critical for the network environment. Not as critical for a cloud environment, for instance. We're a big proponent, or we're the initiator of DPDK, the Data Plane Development Kit, which aims at accelerating how packets are moved at the hardware level. And so we collaborate with a number of standards. And what we end up doing with that is to create an initiative called Open Network Platform. It's an Intel initiative that aims to take everything that's coming out of all those bodies and translating that into something that you can actually deploy. So reference architectures that a company or a carrier can actually take and deploy on their infrastructure. So Open Network Platform is a fundamental step in our perspective to convert what's been a discussion and a set of standards into something that people can actually make use of. The other thing that we do is